Hey, this is a quick tutorial about how to update your Mac operating system. Want to refresh your Mac experience? It's a good idea. Let's get our hands dirty. There's one crucial thing needed to update your macOS, the AppStore. Click on the AppStore icon in your dock. Click Updates in the top menu. If you're running an older operating system, you'll see a new operating system available for you to download. But before you upgrade your operating system, it makes sense to prepare the full backup of your Mac. In case something goes wrong, you can easily roll back to how things were before. Check out your storage info. Click the Apple logo, About This Mac, and that's how large your backup will be. And before you set to back up your computer, it's a good idea to clean it up because it'll also include a few gigabytes of junk. And why back up junk? By junk, I mean system junk. Unused apps, broken downloads, and all sorts of outdated, messy files. To delete these files in one go, download CleanMyMac X. It's really the best Mac cleaning app out there. Just Google it. Launch the app, click Smart Scan, and the app will suggest to delete all the junk on your Mac. Dozens of gigabytes, really. Okay, now your Mac's ready for a clean backup. Connect an external drive. Go to System Preferences, and then Time Machine. Now choose Select Disk. Here, choose your external drive as a destination for the backup. This procedure takes some time, but once your Mac is backed up and your data is safe, it's time to update. Once again, to update your Mac operating system, you just need to open AppStore and click Updates. That's it. Now you know how to update your Mac operating system. See the description for the detailed instructions. See ya!